Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So not too long ago I got a package in the mail from Wunder too, because this video is sponsored by them. Basically it was just a package of all of their products for me to test out. I was going through it and it was kind of giving me like an easy breezy type vibe, you know, for that consumer who's on the go. That wasn't really snaps, we're just gonna go with it. But that consumer who doesn't have the time to, you know, spend an hour or 2 hours on their makeup. If you guys saw the video that I did on the Aaliyah J makeup challenge, then you know I can do my base makeup in about 16 minutes there, but what takes it from 16 minutes to 30-40 minutes is really eyeshadow. So after going through the products, I thought I would do a video where I would focus on the eyes and just show how using their products can still give me a really nice eyeshadow look, but that doesn't take that long and really get me out of the door there. So, you know, maybe my whole routine could be like a good 20 minutes. So if you guys want to see that, then just stay tuned. So the first two things I'll need are their Superstay Stick eyeshadows. One is in the shade Antique Bronze and the other one is in Sandstorm. I'm going to take Antique Bronze first, and using the actual stick, just kind of draw on my eye where I want it. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And then Sandstorm on my lid, all over my lid. And then just blend that out. And just like that, you got your eyeshadow on there. Now what really makes a difference, especially for me, are lashes. If I don't wear lashes, I feel like I look like a naked mole rat. I don't have my own lashes, so that's why mascara usually doesn't help me. But I was intrigued by their lash extension stain mascara, because not only does it make it look like I have lashes, but the whole, you know, stain part is what caught my eye. Basically, you'll put it on, it'll look like lash extensions, and then even after you wash your face, like, your lashes will be stained for about, I think, 3 days or something like that, and like it really does do that. I've already worn this mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and just wiggle through there. Okay, so this is what it looks like with no mascara and mascara. We actually have lashes now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of my face. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this look. For some reason, lately, soft glam has been trending in the beauty community. I don't know what it is. Everyone just woke up one morning and they were like, soft glam is a thing, and I want my makeup to look like that. This is giving me very much so soft glam vibes, but easy soft glam, all right? Simple soft glam. If it wasn't for the whole, you know, like talking and having to explain things, this easily could have been a 20-minute makeup look. That's probably what I'm gonna title this video, like easy 2-step eyeshadow tutorial with no lashes. I'm never gonna be about that life. For my people out there who are about that foundation first, then brows and eyeshadow, you can rest easy knowing that you don't have to worry about fallouts or anything like that. You just blend 2 little quick colors together and you're good to go. And as far as lashes go, your girl has bottom lashes. When does that happen? Even when I do wear mascara. And I kind of like that, you know, like spidery effect that my bottom lashes are giving me. My top lashes are very much so giving me, like, you know, I was curious about lash extensions, so I just dipped my toe in a little bit, and this is what the result would be if I did that. But I feel like this is very work appropriate eyeshadow, very school appropriate, very beginner appropriate, even not beginner appropriate. You know, you can wear it up or you can dress it up, you can wear it up, you can wear it down. I feel like this is a look that goes with just about everything there, and it was very easy to do. So shout out to you there, Wunder too, because I feel like that's like the aesthetic that the brand gives, you know, like we're here, we're easy, we're simple, and you know, some days you're just here for that. Some days you're not here for it, but on most days, especially me, I am here for that. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing this has inspired some of you to, you know, maybe do a little simple soft glam look after seeing this. You know, maybe for the people out there who are a little too shy to jump into eyeshadow, just, you know, like push you in just a little bit, you know, just test it out, give it a shot there. But yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.